Hey everyone, it's GCP Decode. In this video, we will discuss the solution for this lab. So, after starting the lab, open the Cloud Console and we have to log in it with username 1. So, copy the username 1 and paste it here. Then copy the password, paste it here. Now, wait for some time. Now, come back to the lab instruction page and come on to the task number 2. Copy this name buckets and now paste it here in the search bar and open this first option buckets in the new tab. Now click on this create button. Now for this bucket name, come back to the lab instruction page, scroll down and you will get this GCP project ID. Copy this GCP project ID, paste it here, close this unwanted pop-up, then click on continue and from here select multi-region. Then scroll down and click on this create button and ensure that this checkbox is checked. Then click on confirm. Now from the description box of this window, from the description box of this video, come on to this link and click on this download button. Come back to the console page and click on this upload, then upload file. You have to upload that txt file which you have downloaded from here. Okay, so upload that upload. So the file is now uploaded. So we have done with this task. Now for task number 3, click on this navigation menu, then IAM and admin, then click on here IAM. Now come back to the lab instruction page and copy this username 2. Now we have to search for the username 2. So paste your username 2 here and select your username 2. Then click on this edit principals and click on this delete role 1. Then click on save. Okay. So we have done with this task. And now for task number 2, click on this grant access. For task number 4, click on this grant access and in new principal, paste your username 2. Come back to the lab instruction page and from point number 5 of task number 4, copy this storage object viewer and then click on this select role drop down arrow and search and paste it here and hit enter. Then select this storage object viewer. Now click on save. Now we have completed with this task. Now you can click for check my progress for each and every task. Lab, if you are not getting green tick here, then wait for 2 to 3 minutes because lab takes time to update this code. See, we have got the green tick here. If you are not getting the green tick in the first time, then no problem. Just click 2 to 3 times on check my progress. You will get the green tick here. Now you can click check my progress for each and every task, you will get the green tick. So we have completed with this lab. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. Now you can simply end this lab.